Welcome to our problem. So, imagine you want to add a touch of style to your text with a colorful background that has slanted edges like in the image provided. You might try using a linear gradient, but sometimes getting those boundaries just right can be a bit tricky. It's like trying to hit a moving target. The length of your text can throw off the transition, leaving you feeling a bit lost. But fear not, there's a solution just around the corner. Let's dive in. Let's talk solution now. Your secret weapon here is the transform skew property. By giving the container a skew value and the child elements the opposite skew, you can create those perfect slanted edges you've been dreaming of. It's like a magic trick for your design, simple yet effective. Just apply a skew of 20 degrees to the container and 20 degrees to the child elements, and voila! Your text will have that sleek, slanted background you've been craving. Now, let's keep the solution train rolling. To bring this all together, use the provided CSS code. The .skew class is where the magic begins, setting the stage with a lovely pink background, center text, and that all-important skew transformation. And don't forget the H1 element. Giving it a skew of 20 degrees ensures your text aligns perfectly within the slanted boundaries. It's like a dance, with each element moving in harmony to create a stunning visual effect. In summary, we've tackled the problem of achieving a colorful, slanted background for your text by using the power of transform skew. By applying this simple yet effective solution, you can elevate your design to a whole new level. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your text come alive with style and flair. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your own design adventures. Until next time, happy coding!